Hello, Kunan. Good morning. Good morning, Kunan. Hello, Kunan.
Hello, teacher.
Okay. How are you?
Yes.
Oh, you're good. Where are you?
Um, Happy.
Where are, where are you? Are you in your house?
How?
Is that your house?
Yes.
Oh, really? Okay, Kunan. Anyway, let's review. Yesterday, we learned about family. Okay,
Coming.
so this
Okay.
time, I want you to listen and write a number. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Very good. Okay, listen carefully, Kunan. Here it is, Kunan.
Page 32. B. Listen and number. 1,
This is my family. These are my grandparents. My grandfather really likes baseball. My grandmother really likes flowers.
2,
Here are my parents. My mother is wearing a purple dress, and my father is wearing a white shirt. My sister is standing next to me. That's me.
3,
My mother has a brother. He's wearing an orange t-shirt. He's my uncle.
4,
She's my aunt. She's wearing a pink shirt.
5,
He's my cousin. Do you see his t-shirt? He likes karate.
6,
She's 4 years old. She has a doll. She's my cousin too.
Hey, Kunan, now where are your answers? Do you want to listen again? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, then here it is, Kunan. Listen carefully.
Page 32. B. Listen and number. 1,
This is my family. These are my grandparents. My grandfather really likes baseball. My grandmother really likes flowers.
That's number one.
Number 1.
Okay, now two.
2,
Here are my parents. My mother is wearing a purple dress, and my father is wearing a white shirt. My sister is standing next to me. That's me.
That's number two. Where's number two?
Yes.
Again, Kunan. Number one. These are my grandparents. My my grandfather really likes playing baseball. And my grandmother really likes flowers. That's number one.
True.
Okay, number two. This is my family. My mother is wearing a purple dress. My father is wearing a white shirt. My sister is standing next to me. And yeah, that's me. That's number 2.
Two.
Listen to number 3.
3,
My mother has a brother. He's wearing an orange t-shirt. He's my uncle.
4,
He's my aunt. She's wearing a pink shirt.
5,
He's my cousin. Do you see his t-shirt? He likes karate.
6,
She's 4 years old. She has a doll. She's my cousin too.
Okay, now let's check your answers, Kunan. Now, look. This is number 1, number 2. Very good. Number 3, number 4, number 5, and 6. So you got 4 out of 6 here. Okay. So now you have 4 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great, Kunan. Now this time, I want you to look and read. Okay, number 1. I want you to read. Number 1 here.
It is family. They are my grandparents. My grandfather they like bác bác my grandmother read like flower.
Very good. You say baseball.
Baseball.
Nice.
Here are my parents. My mother is watching a purple dress, and my father is wearing a white shirt. My sister is stuck next to me. That is me.
Very good. Say standing.
Standing.
Nice.
My mother has a brother. He is wearing an orange t-shirt. He is my uncle.
Okay, say uncle. Uncle.
Uncle.
Very good.
Is my aunt. Anna. She is watching a friendship.
All right. You say on. On.
On.
Great job.
He is my cousin. Do you see his t-shirt? He likes karate.
Nice. Now last one.
She is 4 years old. She has a dog. She is my cousin.
Very good, Kunan. Thank you for reading that one, Kunan. Okay, now Kunan, what is this again? Look and say. What's this?
Basketball.
You say baseball.
Paper.
Very good.
Attach and
Nine.
Anna.
Uncle.
Uncle.
Very good. How this
He
one?
is my uncle.
On. Nice, Kunan. Now, let's talk about this boy. Okay, he is the one picking. Okay, so look, how many sister does he have? Let's talk about this boy's family. This boy is the one speaking from the audio. So how many sister does he have?
Chúng ta hãy nói về gia đình cậu bé này. Cậu bé này là người đang nói trong âm thanh, vậy cậu bé có bao nhiêu chị gái?
This
How
is
many sister
family.
does he have?
One. Two. Two sisters.
All right. So look, my sister is standing next to me. So only this one. You say
Yes.
he has one sister.
She have one sister.
That's
Yes.
right. Only this. Okay. Now, what is his mother wearing? What is his mom wearing?
Is blue.
Yes, Kunan, look. What is his mother wearing?
Mẹ anh ấy đang làm gì?
My mother is wearing a purple dress.
All right. So look, we are talking about this boy, not you. So instead of my, you say his mother.
Chúng ta đang nói về cậu bé này chứ không phải bạn. Thay vì tôi, bạn nói mẹ cậu ấy.
You say his mother.
His mother
What is his mother wearing, Kunan?
mother is the purple dress.
Very good. That's right. Okay, now what does his grandma like? What does his grandmother like to do?
Let's see.
Ông nội của anh ấy thích làm gì?
What does his grandfather like to do?
My My
You say
grandfather.
his. Kunan, you say his grandfather.
His grandfather did like basketball.
Okay, you say baseball.
Paper.
Very good. Okay. So, Kunan, if we are, oh, wait a minute. Take note that if I am asking about yourself, you use my. But if I'm talking about another person who is a boy, we use the pronoun his. Okay, but if we're talking about a girl, we use her. Okay? Ano-
Rằng nếu tôi hỏi về bản thân bạn, bạn dùng me, nhưng nếu tôi đang nói về một người khác là con trai, chúng ta dùng đại từ sở hữu his.
Okay. So if I ask you, Kunan, what is your mother wearing? Okay, then you can say, my mom. Okay, my mom. All right? If I am asking about yourself, but look, I'm asking about the boy. So we don't say my because you are not the boy. We say his mother. All right?
Alright.
Okay, and same thing with this one. Listen.
Được thôi, nhưng nếu chúng ta đang nói về một cô gái thì chúng ta dùng cô ấy nhé.
But if we're talking about a girl, okay, we use her. Her.
Wow.
All right, now let's
Wow.
do it again. What does his grandmother like?
His grandfather. His grandfather really like basketball.
Very good. What about her grandma? His grandma. What does his grandma like?
Mới bộ thì cộng vẫn muốn tay thì được đau.
What about his grandma? What does his grandma like? What about his grandma, Kunan? What does his grandmother like?
Còn bà của anh ấy thì sao Panan? Bà của anh ấy thích gì?
My
He is
is him grandmother my grandmother
his Kunan. You
really
say
like
his
flower.
grandmother really likes flower.
His grandmother Mother red like flower.
Very good, Kunan. Okay, so I'll give you 1 star for that. Okay, now this time, I want you to look at the picture, listen, and say, then practice.
Page 33. C. Listen and say. Then practice.
They're Danny's parents. He's Danny's cousin. She's Danny's cousin.
1,
They're Danny's parents.
2,
They're Danny's grandparents.
3,
She's Danny's aunt.
4,
He's Danny's uncle.
5,
He's Danny's cousin.
6,
She's Danny's cousin.
All right. Now let's learn this one, Kunan. Look. All right. Now, we are talking about Danny. Okay.
Danny.
We are talking about another person named Danny who is a boy. So Danny's pronoun is he. But for possessive pronoun, okay, we use he is.
Chúng ta đang nói về một người khác tên là Danny, là một cậu bé nên Danny là đại từ là he, nhưng đối với đại từ sở hữu thì chúng ta sử dụng he is.
All right. So look, who are they?
They are Danny is parents.
Very good. So since there are two, Kunan, we use they are. Okay?
Okay.
Nice. Okay, now look. Who is this?
He is Danny is cousin.
Yes, he is Danny's cousin. Very good. Now look. Who is she?
She is Danny is cousin.
All right, I want you to say, Kunan, Danny's. Danny.
Danny.
Very good. So in possessive pronoun, we use apostrophe S together with the name to tell that someone or something belongs to that person.
Vì vậy, trong đại từ sở hữu, chúng ta sử dụng dấu nháy đơn S cùng với tên để cho biết rằng ai đó hoặc vật gì đó thuộc về người đó.
All right, for example, Kunan. Kunan's mother. Okay, we use apostrophe and S. All right. Now, we have Anne's father. Okay, we also have again apostrophe and S. Same thing with Danny. Danny, apostrophe S. We say Danny's, not Danny is. All right? How do you say this?
Yes.
Danny's.
Danny.
Very good. Okay, now look, Kunan. How many people?
Two
How many people are there?
people.
Very good. So if there are two people, then we say they are.
They are
Very good. Now look, if it's a boy, what about if it's a boy? We use his. He is. How about if it's a girl? We use she is. Okay, Kunan?
He.
So they are, if there are two, he is if it's a boy, and she's if it's a girl. All right?
Alright.
Now, are you ready?
And I'm ready.
Okay. Now look, who are they?
Yes. They are. They are. Petra.
You say they are Danny's parents.
They are. Them is Petra.
Okay. So who are they?
They are. Them is
No, Kunan, you
Gwen
say
Petra.
Danny's. Danny's.
Danny.
Very good. Not. Okay, not Danny is. That's wrong. Okay, again, who are they?
They are. Danny is Gwen Paris.
We don't say Danny is. We say Danny's.
Dan.
Chúng
Dan.
ta không nói Danny is mà chúng ta nói Danny.
All right, we say Danny's. Danny's. Okay? Who are they?
Danny.
Who are they, Kunan?
They are. They are Danny Gwen Paris.
Very good. Okay, now who is she?
They
Only one.
they
It's a
Danny.
girl.
They is
Again, listen. It's
Danny.
only one. Listen, Kunan. Only one. Okay? It's a girl. So what will you say? Who is she?
See.
Very good.
She is Danny and
Very good, Kunan. Okay, now number 4. Who is he?
he is Danny. Is Danny brother.
He's Danny's uncle.
Oh, uncle.
Very good. Okay, now who is this? Who is he?
He Danny. Danny cousin.
Nice, Kunan. Now last one, Kunan. All right. Who is she?
She is Danny cousin.
Wow, very good, Kunan. So I'll give you 5 out of 6 here. So 5 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good, Kunan. Okay, so let us review, Kunan. What did you learn today? I learned
Is cousin.
What did you learn?
He he
I learned
alone.
they are,
They
okay,
are
there. If it's two
they
people,
are two
we use
people.
he.
They
If
he
it's a
is
boy,
two boy.
she's. If it's a,
He is girl.
all right. Then we learned apostrophe. Not that one. We learned apostrophe S. All right. Okay, so let's count
All
how
right.
many stars have you got?
10 stars.
That's right, Kunan. You got 10 stars in total. Thank you so much for joining our class, Kunan. I hope that you learned something. See you next time, Kunan. Bye.
Bye bye, teacher.